Hi guys, welcome to TechToon channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a Zoom to Google Calendar. So in this case, open your Gmail first and right here, Google Workspace Marketplace, this one. Click on first link. Then you can see here you'll find here a search apps or the search bar. Just right here, Zoom for Google Workspace, this one. Click the first one and install it. I have already installed it. So after install it, what you're gonna do is go Google Calendar. Then you can see here in meeting. After clicking on this, you can see here it is on Google Meet, but if you want it, the drop down menu, click on the drop down menu, you'll find Zoom meeting. Okay, and click on save. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.